So what's up guys, how are you all? This is Prince. Today I'm not here to give an speech on my achievement that I have achieved in my past. You can check it out in my Instagram profile. That is, it's Nigam Prince 1722. And today I'm here to tell you about something what happened actually what happened in my PW interview. I hardly faced any rejection or failure in my life, so I could not decide what to do, how to react, and how to get rid out of these things. So I was totally depressed and desperate for few days. It not just because of that I did not qualify the interview. So first of all, I say thanks to all the team of PW and all the faculty and management, and they all are really very supportive, and they are very humble in nature. So when I was awarded by Deputy CM, at that time I thought that I will pursue my career as a science digital teacher. So I hardly read about the literature and so on. And I was preparing for as a science TCT online teacher, and I was working for that. And I mailed PW for doubt faculty or as a biology teacher, and the first round was cleared, and the rest of the rounds are ongoing process. And but in the PW center of Riva, there was a vacancy of English, and there is one known person. He is Amit Bhaiya, and he told me about all the things that there is a vacancy. You can try there. So I told them कि if they will take my interview, so I was not prepared at that day. But I went there, and they asked lots of questions. And actually, I was not prepared for the interview. But they told me that it's just a interaction and it's not like an interview. But the things had happened that I did not imagine, and they asked only simple questions, but at that time I could not answer, and really it hurted me a lot. So I was not desperate just because of that I was not selected. I was desperate because the things that are asked by them, I was expert in my college days, but at that time I could not answer because I did not revise all the things. So that's why I was totally depressed, and I could not decide to what to do and how to do. So that's why I shut my mouth for a few days. But it's okay, it's a part of life, and I will work hard because talent beats sorry hard work beats talent when talent does not work hard. So the things had happened in my interview, that's why I did not select. So it's okay, but it's a lesson for me. Whenever, first of all, you have to decide that the career you should pursue with as an English teacher or a biology teacher. So it's a lesson for me. There are lots of lessons to be learned. So don't worry, we will do it for the next time. Thank you.